Okay. This is so weird. You guys went off really early. I don't understand why. And they're literally coding it again. Wonder why these guys haven't gone off. No, get out of here.
So let's talk about that, because you've been experiencing...
Now I know why it didn't go off. My dumbass forgot to turn the thing on. Same with this one. I forgot to turn these on. Wow, I'm an idiot.
Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of No Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now
see something. Nope, can't even get channel 1 at all. I'll just put it back. Turn that off. Bam. There we go. So the only ones that activated was the 300 from an hour ago. HH 74210, 74250. And the 996 that I forgot to take out of the closet. The ShareCom I could not take out today because the battery was dead. And I unfortunately don't have any more 9-volt batteries. So it's going to have to stay in there for now.